Hit, shot.
Ready?
Sorry.
And if you're shredded.
Hit.
I'm dead. End it corridor. Left hand side.
Yeah,
ready? Go.
Wait, wait.
Where did that come from?
I think you might have been in there.
Did it? No, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. Stay.
That way to the left.
Ow!
That was a ricochet, that.
I don't think it was. Hey!
Good lad, good lad. Marshall, coming in!
Hey!
Marshall! Coming in! Game on!
I'm going to put it in.
Marshall, coming through! Marshall, coming through!
No, you're ready. Hit, mate. Hit. Get the shot again.
You'll get my good side, aren't you?
No, it's too dark. I might be able to line it up afterwards.
Yeah. You're not filming me for personal reasons.
I'm just filming somebody using a really big long arm in a very tight
Just
CQB.
imagine you watching your bedroom, look at